The president. The president of India is the head of our country. So who is the head of our country? The president. He or she is elected indirectly by the members of the Lok Sabha. So how the president of our India is elected? He or she is elected by, they are elected indirectly. That means who will choose? That means the members who are present in the Lok Sabha, they will choose the president of India. Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assembly. So how they will choose, or you can say how the president of India is elected? They will be indirectly chosen by the members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assembly. Some of the functions performed by the president are as follows. Now we will discuss what are the few functions which are performed by the president of India. First of all, he or she appoint the chief election commissioner, the chief justice of India and the other important officers. He will appoint these officers. He or she is the supreme commander of the defense force in India. So he or she is the main head or commander in the defense force in India. It is only after the signature of the president that the law can be finalized. So his signature is very important so that a law can be finalized. This is Pratibha Patel. She was the first woman to be appointed as a president of India. So she is the first woman in India who became the president of India. Next is Prime Minister. The President of India appoints the leader of the political party which has secured the maximum votes as the Prime Minister. So how is Prime Minister is elected? The Prime Minister is elected by the President of India. That means the leader of the political party who had secured the maximum votes in an election as the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the most important and powerful person in the central government. So the Prime Minister of India is the most important and powerful person in central government. In other words, he is the real head of the country. So he is the real head of our country India. Some functions performed by the Prime Minister are as follows. He or she chooses the ministers who will help in governance of the country. So Prime Minister will choose the different types of ministers who will help him to run the country. Next, there are various departments of the government which such as health, defense and railways. The Prime Minister decide who will be the head of this department. So there are different types of departments of the government such as health, defense and railway, and their heads are you can say decided by the Prime Minister of India.